Here we go with a new Deslon tea unboxing. Tea, what do you call this? A tea stainless steel flasks. I don't think it's stainless steel. I think it's actually glass. So it's a little bit mislabeled, I think, already. Unless I'm about to be very disappointed. Right? Nobody wants to be disappointed, right?
No!
No.
Down Tiger always gets disappointing. Can I feel?
Deslon stainless steel flasks. But it's glass, right? Because that's a picture of a glass. Alright. Let's open this. Ooh. That is pretty smooth looking. I believe this is like a 10 ouncer. No paper with this or anything. You gotta pop those bubbles individually, one at a time, kiddo.
Okay, I just don't know how I pop one.
This is actually stainless steel here, and then this is plastic.
I just put one.
Oh, look at that, nice little cup for your tea. You can put it in there. Snaps in pretty well.
Can you pop it?
No, you pop it. You work on popping it, not Daddy.
I can't.
No, you can't either. Some nice writing on there.
Ooh, this is a safe. This is so nice. This is a
The
safe.
seal comes right off. It's supposed to be right in here. And then does this come out easy? Yes, pretty easy.
It comes out pretty easy.
It sure does, doesn't it?
Can I feel?
You want to feel it?
Ooh, it does come out now soft.
Nice.
Dad, this is for Mickey. This is for Minnie.
It's a beautiful design.
Yeah?
Double walled.
What?
Double walled. Goes back in there. Snaps in pretty tight, nice and tight. Lid goes on nice. Nice seal.
Does this shake up? Does this shake up?
Feels really nice.
Does this shake up?
Yeah, you can shake it up if you want to.